Introduction. Video marketing is not actually new. Regardless of what you heard and regardless of how much hype there is in video SEO, video conversions, or video sales pages, video marketing as a whole is not exactly a new phenomenon. Video has always been around. In fact, its marketing potential has always been apparent to a lot of online marketing professionals. You only need to go back to the days of Real Player to understand the hype surrounding video marketing even back then. The truth is, video marketing's promise has always been well known. But what makes today so different is the fact that we now have the technology to deliver on these promises. People have always been talking about how awesome video marketing could be, but it was all just theory. It was all just speculation, opinion, and the facts were not there. The technology was just simply lacking. Thanks to 4 major changes, video marketing has become the killer app. It's always been the once and future king of marketing, but now it is probably wearing its crown thanks to the rise of high-speed yet cheap wireless data transmission. You can actually watch videos on your mobile phone without having to spend an eternity waiting for the video to download completely. We also have high-quality decoding and coding technology that is standardized. In other words, regardless of what device you are watching a video on, and regardless of which website you're viewing, the images will be crisp and the sounds will be crystal clear. Another technological breakthrough that we have now involves the price of storage. You have to understand that the video that you're watching has to be stored somewhere. It has to reside on a series of hard drives. That's not free. Thanks to modern technology, storage prices have really crashed through the floor. On top of that, the service that people offer to host websites has become cheaper and cheaper. Given this combination, video marketing has come to its home. It has finally arrived, but here's the problem. It is quite ironic. The challenge to video marketers nowadays is that video may have been the victim of its own success. The problem now is that there's so much video out there that most of them simply don't have an impact. They don't get people to convert to buyers. Fact. Most YouTube videos have very few views. Have you ever been searching for stuff on YouTube and noticed that there are a huge number of videos that have very few views? That is the fate shared by the vast majority of marketing videos on YouTube and other platforms. You have to wrap your mind around the fact that modern video marketing is both new and old. Depending on how you navigate these factors, you will either succeed or fail. Either your video is going to convert people into buyers, or they're just going to sit there on YouTube getting 0 views. What's new? Modern video marketing involves 3 new technologies that has really turbocharged its effectiveness. First of all, you can use software to create video. You no longer have to patch together or shoot video content by hand. There is all sorts of software that can help you edit, enhance, and even automate the creation of video content. Also, video marketing content is increasingly plugged into a larger marketing infrastructure. These are the blogs, social media platforms, so on and so forth. Finally, there are tools out there that would enable you to upload the video that you created without you manually going through all sorts of upload steps. With a few mouse clicks and a few keystrokes, you can massively distribute your video. Sounds awesome, right? Well, don't get ahead of yourself. A lot of marketers think that it's all about technology and that as long as they have the right tools, video marketing will pretty much take care of itself. Absolutely wrong. How come? You have to pay attention to the old elements that still remain alive in video marketing. Lose sight of these, and you're going to fail. These factors remain. You have to build a brand. You have to create a human connection with your prospects. Most importantly, you still have to walk people through the KLT, know, like, trust, buying process. Without these old elements, all of your videos, as awesome as they may seem on the surface, simply won't be able to do the job. Sure, you may get sales every once in a while, but that's not the kind of income you're looking for. You want videos that close the deal on a consistent basis, but that's just not going to happen if you disregard the old rules of salesmanship. These old rules worked in the past, they're working now, and they'll continue to work long into the future. This training steps you through the mystery of modern video marketing so you can set it up to maximize your ROI. This training is based solidly on the interweaving of the new and old factors that make up modern video marketing. The bottom line actually hasn't changed all that much. Just like with any other type of marketing, return on investment is crucial. This training has a slight twist, however. I'm also going to dwell on, to some extent, the concept of return on effort. Your job is to spend as little time doing something while getting as many dollars out of that activity as possible.